Welcome everyone, Bobby 2 Pops Breaks. It is Saturday, March the 27th, and we're breaking Bond Box full size helmets. We randomed up our 39 remaining box numbers. We got number 28, random teams on the left. Teams and customers have been randomized. We also alphabetized everybody. Gave y'all a chance to trade. Nothing going down though, so here we go. So guys, a beautiful helmet. I know the name on it ain't too huge, but it is a beautiful damn helmet. It's going to be the Carolina F7 spot. I do believe we had 2 spots for those. This one, I'm not sure though. Let me double check. Yep, well, that's going to be a Hank hit. Welcome to the room, Hank. Not a monster hit on the name, but the helmet is beautiful, man. Really like that thing, man. Love those color combinations. Has the JSA sticker and card on that. Beautiful Carolina F7. Gonna be Thomas Davis Jr. Signed in the blue. If that damn light would stop glaring on it like that. But she's a gorgeous helmet, man. Really nice. Even if, like I said, the blank alone's got to be worth $350 or so. All right, but that is going to be a Hank hit with the Carolina F7, folks. I'm very sorry, everybody. That is going to wrap up that one, guys. We've had 2 decent hits. Not a real monster tonight, though. The Kittle, nice hit. We got Hank on that. Oh, God. Damn allergies, man. All right, we're going to pull Hank out. That's Hank's first hit in the room. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times. Well, I got Gotham and DMP gonna be our qualifiers. That is 13 and 14 on the qualifiers. We're only 7 boxes into our series of 45, folks. Still a whole lot of great hits out there for you. From top to bottom, pretty dang solid list for you. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Bobby 2 Pops Breaks 8 Central.